Now there is nothing else to do but strip out all of the things and clean it thoroughly.
Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage and Merry Christmas. It's time for engine maintenance series part 7, and in this video there was this inlet manifold that was stuck badly, and actually it was the studs that were seized, and I think from the water maybe, and I bounced it a lot with a rubber mallet, kumivasara, and I used also a crowbar, sorkkarauta. So I hope I didn't use too much or too excessive force to remove this inlet manifold, because I have no idea when I'm assembling it back together, then I should know if the engine works. I'm so happy that you're here, and I hope you subscribe and leave a comment below if you like, and give thumbs up.
Let's start to disassemble this beautiful engine. I will remove this Chargecooler. Chargecooler cools the air from the turbo. This is a water air Chargecooler, so there is two lines of water. There is a water cell inside of the box, and then when the air goes through the box, it cools down, and the more cooler air for the engine is for the better. So the air goes to the inlet plenum, and of course there is a dump missing here. Secondary injectors are here, as you can see. I think we need 13 and 13. Turbo to Chargecooler hose. Blow-off valve, yes, and this goes to charcoal canister. Originally this goes to the airbox. It's the recycling of the oil mist from the crankshaft, from the engine. What do you call it? Kampikammio. This is a one-way valve. The air goes only one way, and that's that way. This goes to, what is this? This is throttle something. I don't remember it.
as well.
This works. Please don't try this at home. Made in USA. Okay. Heat shield, reflector. Magnet would be perfection now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 nuts from the inlet manifold and 2 bolts. 1 bolt here and 1 bolt here. Oh, 2 more bolts. Yes. So 4 bolts and 5 nuts. I use pincettes. I mean tweezers. It's hammer time. I think I have a mirror here somewhere. There. No more bolts. Oh. crowbar is the best thing. Just needed a little persuasion.
Remember that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.